all those things. Ma'am on morning just talked to me and said those points. Two things will be taken step immediately. Okay. See, by our side, we are taking all our steps. We are dedicatedly working. காலையில் மலையில நனைஞ்சிட்டு தான் வந்து காலேஜ்ல உட்காந்துருக்கேன் நான். ஆனா நம்ம ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வீட்டுல இருந்துட்டே அட்டன் பண்றதுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. சாட்டர்டே தானே, என்ன ஒரு நாள் கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணலன்னா என்ன பெரிய லாஸ் ஆக போகுது மாதிரி ஒரு மைண்ட் செட்டப். வெரி வெரி ஒஸ்ட். ஐ ஷுட் நாட் பி லைக் தட். ஓகே, டைம் வேஸ்ட் அகெயின். Go for the presentation today. I hope all are having a separate notebook for product design and development. Say yes or no. Kindly reply.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? பழைய ரஃப் நோட் அப்சர்வேஷனோட நோட் கூட இல்லையா?
இருக்கு மேம். we will
after you have to put 18th ல இருந்து கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. I have told you need not note down whatever I am displaying in front of the class, but at least the hint points. Just wait for a few seconds, students. So, able to see the information what I am displaying you? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
That's fine. What was the topic discussed last class? First unit, first topic. Kindly reply, anyone? I have sent the PPT, right, in the class group. Anyone?
Need for IPPD, key factors of IPP,
Okay,
and 5 principles of IPP.
very good. Charumadi, right? What's the expansion for IPPD?
Integrated product process development.
Good. Good outcome. Can anyone tell about the definition for IPPD? Anyone?
It is a process starting from product idea to development of final product.
Very good. So this shows that there is a regularity studies of some few students like this. Good, ma. Then what is the use of sending the information? You have to have regular study, right? Okay, fine. Today is an important topic we are going to cover. Last class we have covered need for IPPD. Today we are going to cover two important topics: strategic importance of product development, integration of customers. Two important topics. So from the terminology, you have to understand, we have to put some strategical plan for our product development startup. Okay. Before going for this topic in depth, we'll come across some characteristic of successful product development. What do you mean by characteristic of successful product development? You are going to start a product to be developed. You're going to start a product. Okay. What are the things you have to keep in mind? What are the characteristics? Tanmaigal. Product quality. Kindly note down the side topics. That is very much important. It will be useful for your assessment exams also. So characteristic of successful product development. Important points are product quality, product cost, then followed by development time, development cost, development capabilities. Okay. So first, I'll list out what are the characteristics of successful product development. First, we have to focus on product quality. What do you mean by quality in general? Does anyone can tell me a general idea about quality? Quantity, there is a term, quality. Anyone can guess what is the meaning of quality? Kindly reply, students. Am I asking a tough terminology question? What do you mean by the term quality? Huh? Yes, Aarti. Aarti, are you in the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by the term quality? Yes, define. Jay Surya. Any network problem? Are you all in the link? Kindly reply.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is a standard of a thing which is compared to similar kind of thing, ma'am.
Yes, when I'm putting a question, at least browse a net or see a general meaning through word. You have to reply, right, when I'm asking the question. So product quality is telling about the standard of the product. It should be robust. So these are the points you have to check when you start up with the product designing or product development. So how good is your product resulting from the development effort? Does it satisfies the customer needs? Customer will give some requirements to be fulfilled in your product. Whether that has been satisfied, you have to check. Is it robust? What is the meaning of robust? What is the meaning of robust? Strong, vigorous, they say, right? So even the product when you are handling in a rigid manner, that should not broke as quick as possible. Those things you have to keep in mind when you are starting your product. So robust should be strong, reliable, dependable, consistent, should be trustworthy. When a customer is buying your product, they have to believe on your product. You have to keep these things in mind. This act as a characteristic of a successful product. Product quality is ultimately reflected in market share and the price that customer are willing to pay. Customer should initiate to buy your product, as well as when they are satisfied with the product, they will say for 2 or 3 members to buy that same quality of product. So here quality plays a vital role. Product cost. When you are when you start a product development, you have to keep these things in mind. Product cost. So what is the manufacturing cost of your product you are going to keep in your mind? Manufacturing cost. What do you mean by manufacturing cost of the product? Sum of the cost of all resources needed to design your product, consumed in the process of making a product. எவ்வளவு materials தேவைப்படுது? How much for building that product? What are the resources needed? There are many classifications of manufacturing costs, like direct material cost, direct labor cost, manufacturing overhead. So these all things you have to keep in mind when you are starting up a product. Manufacturing cost of the product. What is your fixed manufacturing cost you have decided for starting your product? This cost includes spending on capital equipment and tooling, as well as an incremental cost of producing each unit of the product. When you are going to start each and every component to be built together, it forms an integrated product. What is the capital equipment needed? What are the tools needed to design that particular component? Everything you have to keep in mind. Product cost determines how much profit occurs. Occurs meaning is what? Acquires. Grow, increases. how much profit increases, sorry, it's the meaning of increases to the firm for a particular sales volume and particular sales price. So if you are going to invest some amount for your product, that should give a profit. The firm for a particular sales volume and a particular sales price. Development time. How quickly did the team complete the product development effort? Development time represent the time taken for a team to start up the product from the analysis stage till the manufacturing stage. So how quickly did the team complete the product development effort? How much effort they have put for the developing the product? Development time, these are the things you have to keep in mind as an important characteristic for a successful product. How responsible the firm is. It's not an individual person more responsible to create a particular product. A teamwork should be. To be a competitive force and to technological development. New technology we have to learn. It's our duty to learn about some important technology and insist inside the product. So the whole team should put on a hard work of it. எனக்கு இந்த டூலை பத்தி எனக்கு தெரியாது, I don't know the knowledge of this technology அப்படின்னு இருந்து ஒரு டீமுக்குள்ள ஒர்க் பண்ணி you can complete a product. As well as how quickly the firm receives the economic returns from the team effort. The main thing is team effort. For this is said to be the developing time. Only a single person cannot complete a product that you all know. It's a team effort. That's why we have told always we have to focus on IPPD method, integrated product and process development. When you say integrated product and process development, many departments are involved to complete the product. So it's full and full teamwork. So development time depends on the team effort. Any doubt till now, students? Kindly reply. Any doubt? Okay. So development cost. How much did the firm has to spend to develop the product? கண்டிப்பா இல்லையா, ஒரு இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் அசெட் இல்லாம we can't start up a product. How much of involvement, investment the firm has to spend, that you have to decide. Developing cost is usually a significant factor, very important factor of the investment required. So ஓரளவு how much investment you put for a product, for their material manufacturing cost, material got from the supplier, all things that should result for a good profit for that firm. So without investing, other than material கொஞ்சம் automatically investment நிறைய போடலனா quality கம்மியாயிரும், then you can't achieve what perfect product sold to the customer. So to achieve this profit, investment is more required. எந்த ஒரு ஃபீல்ட் எடுத்துக்கிட்டாவும், ஒரு business, this is fully related with business, product, project. Even if you're working in an IT company also, you have to deal these things. How much firm is putting investment for creating that product, then only team effort can be put more. Technology வந்து learn பண்ணணும், team effort போடணும்னா அந்த investment, for example, IT company have to buy that software from any of the suppliers or firms. Then they have to teach to the team members, then only they can give a good product. So you have to understand what is meant by development cost. For developing a product, and the team also have to put firm now, some investment is required, which have to be spent by the firm. Firm now organization, companies. Development capabilities. Are the team and the firm better able to develop future product? For example, you being working in a company or owning a company, you have created a best product. After creating one particular product, அப்படியே உட்கார்ந்திருந்தா you can't show your uniqueness or creativity or variety, right? What is your future products? You have to focus on this. So then only it says, for example, Apple company for us giving the best in all purpose. Okay, ஒரு மியூசிக் பிளேயரா இருக்கட்டும், இல்லைன்னா ஒரு ஐபாடா இருக்கட்டும், iPad இருக்கட்டும், இல்ல லேப்டாப்பா இருக்கும், they are giving the best. So this shows the development capability, how the firm is developing their full skill. So the team and the firm is organization better able to develop future products as a result of their experience with the product development project. Only if one product becomes successful, then they can focus on their future product work. So these are all the very important characteristics to give a successful product. Development capability is an asset. Asset means it's our it's our important thing. Skill always will plays a vital role wherever you work in an environment. Development capability is an asset the firm should always maintain, can use to develop products more effectively and economically in the future. So you should maintain that capability. டல் ஆகக்கூடாது, ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் கம்மியாயிடக்கூடாது, அந்த விஸ்டாண்டபிலிட்டி எப்பவுமே தட்ஸ் சம் பிராண்டட் கம்பெனிஸ்லாம் பார்த்தா அவங்களோட கேப்பபிலிட்டி மிஸ்ஸே ஆகாது. ஆல்வேஸ் தே வில் ஹாவ் தேர் யூனிக்னஸ். ஓகே, ஒரு ஒரு டெய்லி யூஸ் ப்ராடக்டா இருக்கட்டும், விச் இஸ் கமிங் டு தட் ஆட். ஓகே, ஒரு டவ் இல்லைன்னா ஒரு like any of the products, the company is maintaining its own strategy. That's it. Have you note down the important points or characteristic of successful product development, students? Reply yes or no. Abhisheka always coming late. Don't leave the session in between. I'm not taking class for myself. Kindly be in the class. Next, we'll move on to the challenges of. Any doubt in this characteristic of successful product development, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait, students. Now we'll move on to the challenges of product development. Very important topic. Challenges of product development. Morning வந்துட்டேன் சார் நான். ஆமா சார். அப்ப okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. So the challenges of product development. From the heading, from the title itself, you can understand challenges means what are the problems we can come across when we start developing our product. Challenges we are going to face. So developing great products is hard. It's not an easy job, that you all know. Few companies are highly successful more than half the time. Sometimes they'll be successful, sometimes they will, there will be a failure too. So these odd presents a significant challenge for the product development team. So some of the characteristics that makes the product development challenging are listed here. I'll just say the heading alone first. Trade-off, dynamics, details, time pressure, economics, creation. Then satisfaction of societal and individual needs, team diversity, team spirit. So these are the challenges normally when we start up a product we face. Okay, try to be in the link and understand properly. So trade-off, from the terminology you have to understand what is the meaning of trade-off. Exchange something of value, especially as part of a compromise. For example, நீ ஒரு மொபைல் போனை இன்னைக்கு போய் வாங்கணும்னு ஐடியா பண்ணிட்டீங்க. ட்ரேட் ஆஃப்னாவே சம்திங் யூ ஹாவ் டு காம்ப்ரமைஸ் ourselves, or you have to go for a native place and buy some product. In there only the product is in a very best way. So what you have to do, you have to put 1 day leave, you have to you are in the situation to not get the salary for 1 day, you have to compensate that also to achieve some goal. So trade off is like that, that meaning have to be fixed in this sentence. An aeroplane can be made lighter when you put integrated concept, when we focus on more material quality. There is a possibility of making an aeroplane can be made lighter, but this action will probably increase the manufacturing cost. Obviously, more manufacturing cost is required to build a lighter aeroplane. So one of the most difficult aspect of product development is, main thing you have to remember, main challenges we normally face is, we have to properly identify what is our product is. Recognizing, identifying, understanding to which customer we are going to do this product. So what are the manufacturing costs needed really for our product? Understanding and managing such trade-off in a way that maximize the success of the product. So this is a main challenge we normally face. If you're not properly identifying what we are going to do, what is the result, or if you're not understanding the real concept, what the customer needs from from a firm to design a product, and you will be in the situation not managing it properly. So there should be some trade-off. You have to adjust yourself. You have to compromise yourself. So exchange something of value, especially as a part of compromise. Trade-off meaning. So that maximize the success of the product. If you are clear enough with your recognizing of the product, understanding the customer needs, and managing such trade-off, compromising. If suppose customer is asking some best quality, but you are compromising to the customer, no sir, it is not possible. You are going for this quality, but instead of this can be given. You also have to speak only if you know about the technology knowledge about the product you are going to start up. So that is the challenge to be faced in this situation. Next, dynamics. What is the meaning of dynamics? General meaning? Changing aspects. What is the changing aspect? You know, always when you create a product, you can't be a static one. You have to change accordingly. You have to think about the future. Technology can be inbuilt with your product. So dynamic. The technology improvement have to be done with your product, what you are going to create. If that is in your mind only, and if you are having that in mind and starting your product, then you can get more profit on the future part of your growth of your company. So technology improve, customer preference evolve. On that, the growth or the profit has been got only when the customer buy your product. So customer would preference the feedback about that you have to changing the aspects have to be done. It's a real challenge you normally face. Why Danish you so late? Danish you. So competitors introduce new products. Then you have to face some competitors. Okay.
Hello,
and
ma'am.
Yes, Danush, why late?
Ma'am, I went to hospital, ma'am. That's why, ma'am.
Okay.
Just now I came, ma'am.
Okay. Morning, Eva. Okay, pa. Sorry. Technological improve, customer preference evolve, competitors introduce new products, and the macroeconomic environment shift. So these are the things you normally face as a challenge when you start up your product to be developed in all stages. என்னன்னு நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. டைனமிக்னாவே general meaning changing aspects. So what are all the changing aspects you normally face? Technology improves. Latest technology comes on, they're inventing new technology. Your product have to adopt according to that. Customer preference evolves. Customer feedback is very much important. Only if you satisfy the customer, then you can go for the good growth of your company. Competitors introduce new product. You have to even face the competitors. If you are thinking, this time our product will be the best, see like that pata. Onnu konja innovation creation will think and create some more new products. So that becomes a competitors. Introduce some new products, then that also become a challenge for us to face the product successful. Macroeconomic environment shift. What is macro environment? Sorry, economic. What is macroeconomic means? Economic output, unemployment rates. You have to there will be more unemployment rate. You have to give some shift basis. You have to call the skilled manpower for your companies. In some cases, if they are nicely working in a firm, suddenly they used to quit the job. You have to face that challenge also of replacing another skilled manpower is not an easiest job. This is called as macroeconomic. Economic output, unemployment rate increases. So these are the challenge. Decision making is an environment of constant change in a affordable task. What is affordable task? Is tough, challenging, or difficult. So what do you have to do? This decision making to the environment of constant change is a affordable task. You are giving the decision to the customer. Customer, if they like the product, then we can go for another improvement. So these are all the challenges we have to face. Details. The choice between using screws or nap fit. Then information means the choice between screws and nap fit. For example, you are going to invent any of the laptop. In laptop, there are many you have to connect the parts. Snap fit assemble method used to attach flexible parts, usually plastic or around the form the final product by pushing the part interlocking components. So in that case, we have to depend on some small component like this. The point is the detail about those components, you have to be very much thorough. Even if you say it is a small component, what difference is going to make for our final product அப்படின்னா கூட that you should not take it as a pathetic way. Ensure of computer can have economic implication of millions of dollars. Focusing on this small component also may sometimes result in some drawback. Developing a product of even modest complexity. This is also important thing when you develop a product. You have to focus on these things. Requires thousands of such decisions. Whether when we put this screw snap for this two components, it will give a better result, or it will fix within the component molding part. Even these information details for building a product is more needed to decide. So panel members will decide even for some small component to be inbuilt inside a product, or using this components when we are going to combine two parts, flexible parts to form the final product. By pushing the parts interlocking component, we have to take thousands of such a decision. Then just imagine how much of brainstorming, how much discussion for each and every component for building the product is needed, because that is a main challenge. You should not even live a modest complexity. It can be avlo change panna poda appadina nama you should not discuss, you should not leave discussing with the team members. Each and every component you are going to build have to be perfectly collecting all the details about it, whether we are fixing it properly, dimensions put for these things are correct. Everything should be required. The thousands of such decisions are needed for developing any product. Time pressure. After facing even these much of challenges for a product development, time pressure also make us a big challenge. What is the time pressure? Any one of these difficulties would be easily manageable by itself, giving plenty of time. Before we have seen some challenges, trade-off. If you want to compromise the customer, because this material only the best is knowing the details, we are just compromising the customer, that also can be handled. Dynamic, according to the technology learning process, we can give the training for the team members and make the product well. That also is possible. Details, collecting about the details, sharing with the team members, getting the knowledge about each and every component necessary for the product, that also can be done. Everything is possible, but if we are in the time pressure, everything becomes a challenge. What is the time pressure? Customer focus over time call பண்ணுவாங்க. I need the product within this time. So their time is not given for a team to develop it properly with more analysis. So any one of these difficulties would be easy manageable by itself, giving plenty of time. If there is no plenty of time, there is a time pressure for a team to complete the product, then automatically but product development decisions must usually be more quickly, and without complete information we have to complete the product. Obviously we can't find it the product successful what we think of. So these are the challenges normally when you start up a product, the team members or the firm companies face. Any doubt till now, students? Till time pressure, any doubt? Kindly reply.
No, ma'am.
Thank you. Economics. What do you mean by economics? Finance. Okay, financial. Developing, producing and marketing a new product requires large investment. Okay. Or a product start பண்றதுக்கு we have to put investment for production, whether all the facility system is available in the production feed, that we have to see. We have to put some investment. If suppose there is not perfect tool available, we have to buy a tool for it to make our product in a successful manner. So economically pata, we have to have some asset with us. Developing, producing and marketing a new product requires a large investment. So to earn a responsible returns on this investment, the resulting product must be both appealing to customer and relatively inexpensive to produce. So if we have a good economy in our hand, then we can focus on facing any challenges. For example, customer ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்தோடனே ஒரு ரெக்கமெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்து நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றோம். திடீர்னு வந்து இல்ல எனக்கு இதையும் இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணுங்க இருக்கும்போது, இஃப் யூ ஆர் எக்கனாமிக்கலி ஸ்ட்ராங் ஒன்லி, யூ கேன் put some amount for that particular tool to develop what the customer in between says some requirements needed. Okay, any changeover you can adopt according to it. For many people, product development is interesting perceivably because it is a challenging. Okay, some people who are economically strong, they are having asset with them, so they don't fear for anything. Okay, they are a little bit interesting to face any of these challenges. If we are not economically strong, then we can't continue our product to complete till the end. For others, several intensive attributes also contribute to this field. I think you are able to understand the very important points in this economics. How economically we have to be very much strong for developing, producing and marketing any of the new product. Creation, very important. You have to show your uniqueness in your product, then only can be a successful product. So that's challenge also you have to face. You should not create a normal product which is already available, existing. It should be bored for the customer, or it's not cannot be satisfied with the customer, because nowadays all the customer needs some variety, some uniqueness. So the product development process begins with an idea and ends with the production of a physical artifact. What is artifact? Object, item, or you can say product. So the product development process begins with an idea and ends with the production of a physical product. I mean product, you have to understand. So when viewed both in the entirely and at level of individual activities, the product development process is intensively creative. Should be always creative, innovative. Okay. For example, I have seen from few months before in news, 7th standard student who is always in the online classes. At the free time, he have done from his bicycle, okay, without pedaling, a little motor has been set. Okay, he can just move through that bicycle. Something innovative he have been used. The knowledge from the net, gathered from the net, learned some information and created a mini project like. So, Divya ma'am. Okay. The point is, whenever you think of creating any of the integrated product, the main focus is intensively creative should be. Passion, strongly, it should be different from the normal products. Satisfaction of societal and individual needs. All the products are aimed at satisfying need of some kind, right? In this pandemic situation, what type of product if I invented, it can be satisfied for the customer, it will be useful for this age of people, that you have to focus on. Individual interested in developing new product can almost always find institutional setting which they can develop products satisfying what they consider to be important needs. So what is latest technology needed? People needed to be fulfilled. So mainly that challenge we used to face. Satisfaction of societal and individual needs. Team diversity. Successful development requires many different skill and talents. The people who are well much skilled, only skilled manpower is needed for any of the IT companies, any of the product to be developed. Without no dedication, no skill, we can't achieve. So in some cases, we have to face some different skill and talent. For example, some people will be more good in implementation part. They will not be very much good in communicating their points to the customer. So there will be more diversity inside the team. So what we have to do for a successful development, we have to handle those different skilled persons. The team members or the firm should assign this particular person is best in this coding part. So we have to assign only that person. Who from the MBA department who is going to communicate properly to the customer regarding sales, we have to assign that. So that facing those different skills and talent people also, the firm faces some challenge in developing the successful product. As a result, developing team involves people with a wide range of different training. Sometimes we have to make even the person who only know about implementation coding, for them also they put நார்மலா அப்படிதான் நடக்கும். எந்த ஒரு இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் நீங்க இப்போ ஒரு ஐடில போய் ஒர்க் பண்ணாவும் உங்களுக்கு தெரியாத இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ல போயிட்டு உங்களை போட்டாவும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ட்ரெயின் அப் கொடுப்பாங்க லேர்ன் பண்றதுக்கு. So that all have to be handled by the firm organization. Different trainings have to be done. Or the person only knows coding, only technical, but for them they will assign for how to communicate with the customer. ஏன்னா டெக்னிக்கல்ல ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கிறவங்க அவங்க எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாதான் ஒன்னும் கஸ்டமருக்கு ஒன்னும் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைடா இருக்கும். ஸோ ஃபார் தோஸ் பீப்புள் வாட் தே டூ, சம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ட்ரைனிங்ஸ் வில் பி அசைன்ட். thereby you can make the product properly faced to the customer, explained to the customer by the technical people itself. The experiences, perspectives and personalities, everything should be improved. Wherever we have a team diversity like this, firm should take step for those peoples. Team spirit very important. Team spirit இல்லனா அதுவே ஒரு பெரிய challenge. Obviously in our classes the more students will be more involved for learning more things. Okay, just if you put link they are coming and joining. In that itself some people are not interested or okay something energetic they are. So the team spirit, if it is there only, a product can be completed successfully. So that also some firms will be facing some challenge if there is no proper team spirit inside the group. The product development team are often highly motivated, should be motivated by the company members, management people. Cooperative groups should be organized. The team members may be co-located so they can be focused their collective energy on creating the product. So these situations can result in lasting camaraderie. What is the meaning of that? Camaraderie means companionship or fellowship. In some situations a team will be working together. Suddenly they have to get transferred to other part from the same company, some other branch. So there will be little collaboration missing. Okay, some coordination missing, companion missing. Even in the other places they are supporting their friends, their team members. That becomes the team spirit. Wherever they change in any location, they are giving their own involvement within the team. That plays a vital role. That particular challenge also should be faced by the companies. Any doubt till now? Team spirit? Till team spirit, any doubt, students?
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Thank you. And last before slides, that's all. I think you are able to understand till now whatever we have covered. Characteristic we have seen. 5 characteristics we have seen. Then after that we have followed by challenges we normally face when we are starting our product. Okay, so trade-off, dynamics, details, time pressure, economics, creation, satisfaction of societal and individual needs, team diversity, team spirit. Strategic importance of product development. Last I will show one video, then you will understand overall idea about how a successful product can be focused. So strategic importance of product development. Strategy, we have to put a strategy at the beginning of startup itself. The strategy or plan to achieve goal. To get the finalized product, to get a successful product, what is the strategy use? So goals are thought as destination strategy. We have to form a roadmap for achieving those destination. So each and every organization, IT company, if you see, they will put a strategical plan. Strategy provide focus for decision making. The overall strategy of organizations are known as corporate strategy. Okay, there will be a business strategy, there will be a corporate strategy. Corporate strategy, they will follow some hierarchy. If you want to report a particular data to particular boss, they'll put a roadmap for you and give when you start working in a organization. Product strategy is a long range functional strategy or action plan. For example, a firm has decided to create a product, they will get the data from the, just wait student. Network கிடைக்குது. Okay students, sorry for the interruption. So strategy provides focus for decision making. So strategies are planned to achieve goals. Goals are through the what destination strategy. They will give a roadmap for us when we start up a product. So to whom you have to report after the completion of some implementation part or code. On the hierarchy கொடுத்துருவாங்க. So overall strategy of organization is called as corporate strategy. You can just search in a net. What do you mean by corporate strategy? You can check for any of one of the company for that. Product strategy is a long range functional strategy. It's an action plan for the production of companies, products and services. So main point is how strategy is playing a vital role for the product development. So each and every company will have its own strategical plan, roadmap for the production and operation function. Must do the achieve the business strategy. Some decisions include in operations. Okay, what are the steps we have to take in implementing the functionality? So what new product or services must be developed and when they must be introduced into the production and market? That plan have to be done. Very important thing. This decision should be starting its functionality. So new product நீங்க மைண்ட்ல வச்சிருக்கீங்க. What services you are going to provide to the customer, when it have to be developed, when you have to introduce that production, is which is the right time to introduce that product. All those things have to be strategically planned. What new facility are needed for developing your product? So when it is needed, what are the new technology you are going to inbuilt in your product? All have to be decided before itself, before starting the product. Strategical plan have to be consisting of these points. New technology, what are the procedure to be followed, what must be developed and when they are needed. What production scheme is needed? Scheme means, what do you mean by scheme? Arrangement, orders. Anything should be ordered for this from the suppliers. Okay, everything should be decided in the strategical plan itself. Any doubts you have, students? The strategic importance of product development. I have noted the key points. Any new product or services you are keeping in mind, when it is to be developed, when to introduce the productions and market, what new facilities are needed, whether new technology or process have to be inbuilt in your product, that have to be decided properly in the strategical plan itself. Production scheme, to develop your product, what is the arrangement you have to do, what is the structure you have to form, what are the orders you have to get. For example, நம்ம காலேஜ்ல இப்போ AIDS அப்படின்னு ஒரு ரிசர்ச் சென்டர் ஆரம்பிக்க போறாங்கன்னா we have decided means you have to put this strategical plan. Okay, till now any doubt? Please reply.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And last slide, something information. Okay, இது in depth we will see in the next class. Integration of customer க்கு நிறைய subheadings வரும். But what is that alone we will see today. Integration of customer. What do you mean by integration of customer? Customer integration is a component of customer relationship management. Business to business சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. Nowadays they are not dealing with some in between there will be brokers இல்லையா. அந்த கஸ்டமர்ஸை கொண்டு வந்து இவங்க நம்ம கிட்ட பேசுறதெல்லாம் இப்ப போயிட்டு, because we have to spend also money for the brokers, half the amount for bringing the customer. But nowadays it is not like that. Directly we are communicating with the customer. Customer is giving feedback. There are many websites created for interacting with the customers. Components of customer relationship management, which puts technology in place that allows customers to process their own transaction and to have direct contact with the organization. So customer to process their own transactions. Business to business is between the customers and the company nowadays. So this means that that the need for middlemen, that is the brokers, is reduced. In reducing these things, it is a way for organization to do business with sustainably saving on human resources. We need not spend money for these extra people. You can directly ask the customer what you needed, whether our products are being satisfied for you, or anything to be added for our product. Like that, direct communications are happening. So customer integration is nothing but component of customer relationship management, which puts technology in place. That here also technology plays a vital role. Advanced technology through web, clouds, IoT, we are directly contacting the customers. Allow the customer to process their own transaction. If they are going to invest some share for our product, they are giving their transaction amount through IoT clouds, and to have direct contact with the organization. If a particular part has been completed in the product development, they are consulting with the customer. Is this the real requirements you have needed? We have satisfied like that. Part by part, when they are completing the product, they are consulting with the customer itself. Okay, they are clarifying their part of development with the customer. So that is called as customer integration. Any doubt in the integration of customer, students? Kindly reply. Kindly note down the key points. Okay, fine, good. Last is, okay, just I have given a particular information video link, how to create a new successful product, the product development process, what are the things you have to keep in mind, the general video. Okay, I hope you have understood all the concept today. You do not have any doubts. I have also noted all the key points by highlighting the information. Just will see that video. You can't hear, but here just wait. You can't hear, but only music only. So you can just read out the information what I'm displaying. Creating a new successful product. Tuning a product conception into a physical and marketable product requires an efficient plan. Plan is very much needed, strategical. There are some groups for performing this plan. Okay, if you have some idea of creating any product, there are lot of groups to help you. Just one example group. Do not keep this in depth in your mind. Example, there is a Henry group, provide project management and design assistance. They will guide you to start up the product, all those things. Product engineering, prototyping services to assert with a new product development project. Normally, how a product development process starts. 5 steps are essential to develop a successful product. Very, very important. Identify the market. Simply, you should not create a product innovatively. Whether it will really reach the market if we create. What is the real problem the customers are facing now? Whether this will be the solution for it. Complete a cost-benefit analysis. Do market and product research. Test the design, virtual model, and physical representation. Prepare your marketing strategy. After creating a very innovative product, if you are not able to sell that product properly to the customer, then you are not following the proper marketing strategy. You should put a separate marketing strategy for it. Create a product prototype like this. New product will often have different stage of physical prototyping to meet different needs of the project. Many models you can create. Prototyping allows developers to fine-tune design and present a physical item to investors, potential business partners, and more. Your small prototype can satisfy these people. Just simply they're telling about the group. Let's discuss your complex product design and how ND Group can help you make it more understandable to your clients, investors, and the rest of the world. So you can just keep one in mind. There are some groups also available. Authorized group you have to choose where you can get their help and start your project. But the idea should be from you people. Okay, these things you need to keep in mind. Just one example I have posted. Any doubts you have, students? Till now? Absentees, have you noted down? Jay Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts in today's topic, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll send the information. Read out today itself. Don't postpone your work any time. இன்னைக்கு ஒர்க்னா இன்னைக்கு அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு நியூஸ் பேப்பர் மாதிரி படிங்க, இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கேதர் பண்ணுங்க, ரைட் அண்ட் சி ஆல் தி சப் ஹெட்டிங்ஸ் அண்ட் சி. ஓகே ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். யூ கேன் லீவ் த செஷன்.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Harsha, Aarti,
Thank you, ma'am.
kindly avoid more absentees for our class. Okay, it's our duty. Saturday na kudu konjam varano strength paathukonga. Harsha and Aarti.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you students. You can leave. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.